Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I want to share with you a simple recipe on how to cook lamb ribs in the oven with just a few ingredients. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Let's get started. Let's check out the ingredients for the lamb ribs. Wash the ribs and pat dry it using some kitchen tissue. Remove the membrane before you marinate the meat. This will help the meat to absorb the seasoning well. Let's prepare the marination sauce by adding half a cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, two tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, one tablespoon of black pepper powder, half a tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, half a cup of fresh coriander and mint leaves, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, one tablespoon of oil, give all of this a good mix. Let it sit for a minute or two. Finally, add 1.5 tablespoons of soya sauce. Give it a mix. Cover the baking tray with a tin foil. This will keep your tray clean. Just discard the tin foil after baking. Now place the ribs in the baking tray. Let's marinate the ribs. Apply some generous amount of marinating sauce all over the ribs. Cover it with a tin foil. This goes to the refrigerator for an hour, or you can also keep it overnight. Bake for 2 hours at 160 degrees Celsius. After an hour, turn the ribs to the other side. Between 2 hours, let's check out the ribs. Carefully remove the foil. It's cooked well. To get that smoked flavor and punch, apply a thin coat of BBQ sauce all over. Put it in the oven for 5 minutes. Do not cover the tray. Try this recipe and post your comments below. If you like this video, consider subscribing, share, and press the bell button to stay connected. Click on the left to check out my previous video, on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy baking.